This is my old Android phone, and I can't see anything on it. The screen is completely messed up. I could fix it, but honestly, the repair cost just isn't worth it. It was my fault anyway, and there's no warranty, no insurance, nothing. So it ended up sitting in a drawer for a long time. But then I realized something. If the screen is the only thing that's broken, then everything else inside should still work. So instead of fixing it, what if I give it a completely different purpose? Today I'm going to try turning this broken phone into a gaming machine. And this isn't just any regular phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. A flagship that launched at around $1,500 back in 2022. But as you can see, its current condition is pretty rough. The outer display is heavily scratched, there's a line running along the edge, and the touch response isn't as smooth as it used to be. The glass also has a few cracks. But the biggest issue is the inner display. It's completely dead. And even worse, every time I unfold the phone, the outer screen turns off too, which is pretty weird. On top of that, the battery has degraded quite a bit, which basically means for normal daily use, this phone is almost unusable, and that's exactly why it's been sitting in my drawer all this time. But here's the interesting part. Hidden behind this broken exterior is still a very powerful piece of hardware. A true flagship level setup. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Even today, it's still more than capable of handling games and everyday tasks. If you look on the used market, a working unit can go for around $200 to $400, depending on the condition. But mine, in this state, it's probably only worth a few dozen bucks. And that's exactly what makes it the perfect candidate for today's experiment. Because today, I'm not going to fix it. I'm going to give it a second life. As you probably know, on Samsung's flagship smartphones, there's always one feature that's actually really interesting, but often overlooked. And that is Samsung Dex. In simple terms, this feature lets you turn your phone into a computer. Just plug it into an external display, connect a mouse and keyboard, and instantly you get a full desktop-like interface. You can open multiple windows, drag and drop files, work, watch content, almost like using a real PC. And the crazy part is, all of that is running directly on your phone. No case, no dedicated CPU, no separate GPU. Just a single cable, and you're good to go. And I can't wait any longer. Let's put Samsung Dex to the test on this broken Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 right now. Of course, to get display output to an external monitor, we'll need a cable or an adapter. Here, I'm using a 5-in-1 hub from Ugreen. Basically, it lets us connect multiple devices at the same time. We've got 3 USB-A 3.0 ports, a USB-C port that supports 100-watt PD charging and high-speed data, and most importantly, an HDMI port for display output. So with just a single USB-C connection from the phone, we can hook up 5 devices at once through this hub. Pretty convenient. Now plug the hub into the phone's USB-C port, connect the HDMI cable to the monitor, and boom! Samsung Dex shows up instantly, no setup needed. To control Dex, I'm using a wireless mouse and keyboard. Just plug the USB dongle into the hub and everything connects right away. And here's the best part. While using Dex, I can still charge the Z Fold through the USB-C port on the hub. And everything continues to run smoothly. That's honestly pretty amazing. Alright, now for the most interesting part. Let's see what this broken Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 can actually do with Samsung Dex. Starting with the basics, I can browse the web, read articles, even get some work done. Watching YouTube? No problem at all. Everything runs smoothly with almost no noticeable delay. The interface is very easy to use. It feels like a full desktop environment, but somehow simpler and more intuitive. I can open multiple windows at the same time, drag and drop files, resize windows however I want. Full screen, windowed, completely flexible. Watching a video while browsing the web? No problem. Everything just works naturally And honestly, the overall experience might even feel easier to use than Windows. At its core, it's basically like using an Android tablet, but highly optimized for mouse and keyboard, which means you can absolutely treat this like a real desktop. For basic tasks, yeah, that's way too easy. No issues at all. These are things that pretty much any device can handle. So now, let's push this Galaxy Z Fold 4 to its limits. And this is also the main experience I really want to focus on in today's video. Gaming on Samsung Dex. First of all, since this is Android, you get access to pretty much the entire Google Play Store. Tons of apps, tons of games, anything you want. Alright, bring on the games. First up, a title I'm sure everyone loves, Minecraft. I'll start with 12 chunks, jumping into the game, and honestly, this is surprising. The experience feels almost identical to PC. The graphics look great, and everything, and from the UI to mouse and keyboard controls, feels stable and responsive. I turned on the performance overlay, and we're getting around 100 frames per second. There are a few minor dips here and there, but overall, it's very smooth. Pretty impressive. For a phone, mouse and keyboard work perfectly. Now I'm pushing it further, maxing out to 32 chunks, and FPS drops to around 40 to 70. Not the most stable, but the important thing is, there's no major stuttering, and at this level of performance, it's still completely playable. Samsung Dex already works really well with mouse and keyboard, but I want something a bit more immersive, something that feels more like a real gaming experience. And since this is a smartphone, that's actually super easy. All I need to do is connect a controller via Bluetooth. I'm using an Xbox-style controller here. Turn on Bluetooth, pair the device. And that's it. Now we've got a proper gaming setup. I jump back into Minecraft with the controller, and honestly, it works really well. All the inputs feel accurate, and there's almost no noticeable input lag. And just like that, we've got a controller, Samsung Dex, running on this broken Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. All of it combined into a real gaming machine. And because this is Android, the story doesn't stop there. We've got access to the entire Google Play ecosystem. And now that we have a controller, there's one thing we have to try next: console emulation. There are plenty of emulators on Android, but I'm going with Limuroid. Why? Because it's simple, easy to use, and it already supports multiple console systems out of the box. No complicated setup needed. Just load your ROMs and play. I've already prepared a few games on this USB drive. Plug it into the hub, open the file manager, copy the games over, then select the folder for Limuroid to scan, and that's it. The games are right here. Let's start with a classic, Mario. And wow, it's incredibly smooth. It feels exactly like I remember. Muscle memory kicks in instantly. Tried a few more Nintendo titles. Same result, everything just works. Honestly, if I wasn't looking at the phone, I'd think I was playing on a real Nintendo console. And now, Tarzan. Man, this really brings back memories. Alright, let's put the retro games aside for now. It's time to push things a bit further. Let's move on to more modern games. You can download games directly from the Play Store, but most big titles come with a pretty high price. And since this is still Android, I'm going with a more risky approach, installing APK files. You can find them from many sources online. Just download, install, and play. But of course, the trade-off is security. So honestly, I don't recommend this unless you know what you're doing. Alright, game installed. Let's jump in. First up, GTA San Andreas. The experience is really solid, no stutter, no lag. You could easily play this for hours without issues, and since it's not too demanding, this system handles it effortlessly. Now let's take it up a notch. Bright Memory, Infinite. A fast-paced action game built on Unreal Engine 4, so it's much heavier for a phone, but with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, everything is still under control. There are a few small stutters, but overall the experience is still very impressive. Fast-paced combat still feels responsive and keeps up just fine. And most importantly, this proves one thing. This phone can handle heavy games even through Samsung Dex. At this point, everything is pretty clear. From a broken phone that seemed completely useless, with just Samsung Dex and a few simple accessories, we've turned it into a mini PC, a gaming console, and even a full entertainment system. You can work, watch movies, play games, all from a single device. Compact, power efficient, but more capable than you'd expect. So before you throw away an old phone, maybe take a second look, because sometimes what you're about to throw away could actually be a PC or even a console. It just hasn't been used the right way yet. And for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next experiment.